Okay, you guys, happy Sunday. Tonight we're doing a campfire with the kids. I am going to be cooking some of this chicken once these coals go down. Robert will be probably making a couple steaks on here for tacos. Here we are starting the fire. A little lighter fluid on there. Damn, okay, baby. Damn.
What's up?
I want to know what this is. Why is there green coming out my chicken right here? Can anybody guess? Tell me what the heck that is. I don't know, it's kind of suspicious. The heck? The dogs want some meat. Doggies want some meat. You're just waiting for some. Ooh, look what Bay made. Ooh, that looks so good. Perfect. He got it.